know the song that goes, you know I'm gonna get.
Take a chip. Now wait. Oh!
What the sugar? This is going mozzarella.
Oh, can you see?
Awesome tits.
I'm alive.
That was really good.
Mmm, cheesy.
No, you have to stop.
What did you do?
This is awesome because Edie is staring.
Oh, she wagged when you looked at her. She put a light on it.
Nah, it's alright.
It's.
I think it's not focusing.
That's scrunch up your paper. Oh wait, never mind.
That was torturous.
I thought he might do a funny little face. You know, when then he's like I thought he was gonna do that. But, he didn't. That's it, finished.
Huh?
That's it.
Oh, teeth. Teeth.
Oh, bacon.
Oh, what do I do?
Looks like he's about to give advice.
God, he looks like.
What the hacking trick?
Whoa! I've been killed. You killed me.
What?
Oh, you killed me. Sorry, is he on your foot? No.
Yeah, we know for everyone.
Yeah, Ginny's like, well, I'm the skinniest, so I can't win. Oh, sorry, it's gooey. That's right. From saliva. From goo. So sorry.
That was on purpose.
Yeah. Huh? What the hell? What the heck? They're dead.
Sorry, I was laughing so much because the base cat pushed Edie off.
I didn't realize the camera was on me. Sorry.
I had a really happy death.
Vacuum. Oh, I think she licked my tongue. Oh, he's so happy.